I got these furniture anchors specifically for my daughter's dresser. It's a tall, skinny dresser, and we had a little bit of a scare a couple weeks ago, which is motivating me to do this. So it has two options. You can just use adhesives on both sides, or you can drill on both sides, or you can do a combination. Let's look at what you get. Now this is the adhesive. This metal piece goes all the way through, and the bottom just peels off, and then you stick it where you want to stick it. And then this can twist all the way off for you to attach the bracket to. And then if you're drilling, you get all the screws and the drywall anchors you need. And finally, you get all the L brackets. So these are really, really solid. If you install something with these, it's not going to move at all. It's not going to go forward or backward. It will hold the furniture in place completely. Now, one thing to keep in mind is that you will see this. So it's really for specific types of furniture where that's not a problem. Like inside the side of a bookshelf would be a perfect application for this. But I know that I can trust this whether I use the hardware or the adhesives.